Okay, good morning. Today is the 27th. This Monday morning. We're here in Knoxville, Tennessee, and we got a two-stopper today. I'm already here at the second stop, but I realized I didn't film an intro before I went to the first stop, so here's my intro. So let's take a look at the first stop. He said the dock was on the corner. Whoa, that's kind of low. Do I got that? Damn, that is low. He said it was on the corner. Okay, right there. Okay. Alright. Lap dock there. I get over here to the second stop, and I talked to the guy. He's like, yeah, go ahead and back up to this door. So I back up to the door, and I went back there to check and make sure I was lined up okay. And then he tells me, oh, we're going to a meeting. So I got literally like 3 pallets on here. It'll take them 2 minutes to get 3 pallets off, but they're going to go to a meeting for an hour and then come back and unload the 3 pallets. So make me wait an hour just to get 3 pallets off. Yeah, thanks a lot. So yeah, anyway, we're here. We'll just sit and wait, like we always do. That's what truck drivers do. We hurry up and wait. So we'll let them have their little silly meeting, and then they'll come out here and spend 2 minutes getting 3 pallets off my trailer, and then I can get out of here. I don't know where I'm going yet. I don't have a back haul. Hopefully one comes in before I get out of here, so I know which way to go, because there's not really a place to park a truck around here. So I don't want to go east and then have to turn around and go west to get a back haul. So we'll see what happens. All right, so we're over here in Fletcher, North Carolina. We just got loaded here. It's I think big rolls of paper. I'm taking this back to Greensboro, but it doesn't deliver until tomorrow, so they'll probably have me take this to the yard. It's still it's not even 1 o'clock in the afternoon yet, so appointment time is 8 a.m. tomorrow. So more than likely going back to the yard. So I'm just waiting for the air pressure to get up, and then I'm gonna go find a scale somewhere to weigh this thing, because it's a little heavy. So, but anyway, we're out of here. Okay, so just a little short video on what I did at the beginning of the week. Left the house Sunday, went to the yard and grabbed an empty, went up to North Wilkesboro, picked up that load of doors, and took it over to Knoxville. And I had 2 stops, one on the north side and one on the west side. And shortly after leaving there, about 10 minutes after I got done, they gave me a back haul in Fletcher's, North Carolina, which is over by Asheville. So I scurried over there, and they actually had me down for a 10 a.m. appointment, but there was no way I could make 10 a.m. So the broker called ahead, let them know that I was going to be late, and they were fine with that. So finally got over there, got loaded up pretty quick, probably 20 minutes I guess it took to get loaded, and left there and went back to Seagrove and delivered that load. And got back there early. I think it was around 4 o'clock when I got back to Seagrove, and then they had me a load picking up in Eden, North Carolina, which is Gildan, t-shirts and sweatshirts and all that. So I went up there Tuesday morning, picked up that load, and headed out with it. And it's going to Olathe, Kansas, which is where I am at now. I'm at the customer. My door is actually where that UPS trailer is, and I normally, once I get here, if I have the first appointment time, I just go ahead and back up to that door, but there's a UPS trailer. So I'm gonna just park over here in the trailer lot. I got a couple of guys over there parked too. There's another truck on the other side of that white Freightliner, and then somebody dropped a trailer here beside me right there, so I guess he's coming back sometime tonight. But my appointment here is 5 a.m. So I'm just going to let them come and wake me up in the morning, and then I'll just drive over there at 3 miles an hour and back up to the door so I don't trip my clock. But anyway, I know I've been slacking on the videos lately, and there's a reason for that, and some changes are being made, and I can't announce anything right now, but maybe in the next video I can announce something. Pretty big change. kind of excited and kind of nervous at the same time. Anyway, yeah, we're here in Olathe, Kansas. I think I said that right. The last time I was here, I said it wrong, and somebody corrected me about the pronunciation. I think I was calling it Olathe or something like that, but it's Olathe, Kansas, which is it's like southwest Kansas City. So, but we'll get up in the morning and get this thing off, and I got to do some maintenance on the trailer. This is not a Chief trailer that I got. It's a Carolina Freightways trailer, which is a company up there in Eden. They haul, well, the trailer actually belongs to Gildan in Eden there. I think that's their trucking company. I think is how it works. But yeah, I got to do a little bit of maintenance. Nothing major, just mess with the tires and put a little bit more air in there. They're a little low, not bad, but I got to get them up to at least 100 pounds. So I'm going to go ahead and lay down and get to bed and wait for my 5 a.m. wake up call. So I'll see you tomorrow.